Let's consider two facts. One, marital rape is not an offense in India. And two, the IPC termed unnatural sexual acts a criminal offense. So, what would happen in a case where a woman accused her husband of committing such acts on her? A man sought quashing of an FIR registered in 2022 under various sections of the IPC following a complaint filed by his wife. These sections dealt with cruelty towards the wife, physical assault, threats, and a serious charge of unnatural sexual acts. The man argued that the matter had been amicably resolved with the intervention of community elders. His wife confirmed her willingness to withdraw the case and confirmed that she was now residing peacefully with her husband. Further, during the hearing, relying on a 2024 Uttarakhand High Court judgment, the counsel for the husband contended that Section 377 relating to unnatural sexual offences cannot apply to a husband-wife relationship. They also argued that post the Supreme Court's landmark 2018 ruling, Section 377 was largely unconstitutional. But the Himachal Pradesh High Court bench disagreed with the contention using the Uttarakhand High Court judgment. It did so stating that the reasoning used by the Uttarakhand High Court amounted to judicial legislation, which means creating or changing the law through interpretation rather than following what the law actually says. The court also clarified that the Supreme Court's 2018 ruling only decriminalized consensual sexual acts between adults. It did not affect cases involving non-consensual acts which remained punishable. The court observed that Section 377 is a serious offense against society and cannot be settled privately. Further, it added that like rape, non-consensual acts under Section 377 are also grave and non-compoundable, and so it cannot be quashed even when there is mutual consent. Ultimately, the Himachal Pradesh High Court partly allowed the petition, quashing the FIR in relation to compoundable offences under the remaining sections, while proceedings under Section 377 would continue. Head to the comments to share your thoughts on this verdict and subscribe to Factly for more such informative content.